Hi there, I am Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, a nature lover. Most of the time, I spend my life in the green, the purest environment, and I really feel thrilled and full of joy because nothing is better than nature. The Mother Earth is only nature. The destruction of the forest, the vegetation has really ruined, and so many cities are dwindling. Look at Delhi, capital city, how polluted it is. And most of the other cities, like Bombay and all, they are really being ruined day by day. So the best thing what I've got in life is to have a place where I see so much of green. This is really my mother nature. And I always say Jai Telangana, because in Telangana I will feel mostly green things. Population is not that thick. It is very thin population. So what I suggest everyone, try to be in the nature, and there can be no better nature than where I am sitting here. You can develop some sports complex, play tennis, some indoor shuttle stadium, develop some kind of swimming pool, develop some kind of indoor yoga and meditation center. And these all should be driven by your passion to serve and help the people, to remain just not ordinary mortals, but get some enlightening wisdom. Because body is always there, but wisdom and mind are really which discriminate between animals and the enlightened human being. So friends, I am so proud that I am lucky to have this kind of place. It is mine. It is 100% guaranteed and assured my land. Because I love motherland, India, Bharat, so I must have some particles of Mother India. That is my particle. Where I am sitting, it belongs to Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. And this is really my heart and soul. So sometimes I call heartland, sometimes I call island, and sometimes I call motherland. Friends, all are not so fortunate to have this kind of place. It is my destiny. It is my luck. I was planning to create one of the best tennis center in India, where all the fourth turfs of the Grand Slam will be there. So in that activities, the universe was conspiring to make me got such kind of beautiful heaven on earth. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. You see all around green, all around beautiful. Rarely some people will have this kind of ownership on such a heavenly place. Thank you, viewers. Be blessed. Love your motherland. Love your own place, and never be tempted to see others' property. Because contentment is the real wealth. What others have, let them be happy with that. What you have, be contented, because this is not less. There are not so many people who will have this kind of facility. Okay? So thank you very much, friends. Thank you indeed. Thank you. This is Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi with Radiation.